Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you an amazing remedy guys to remove wrinkles permanently and to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Very simple ingredients guys at home. You can get rid of wrinkles and look like 2 years old of age. So the first thing we will need, my friends, is a clean mixing bowl. Of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, like that, and then my friends, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, and mix the ingredients very well until you find that it's that mixed together extremely well. So guys, you get like kind of creamy paste. And once it mixed together like that, you will then find that you need to use a machine because it's not mixing very well. And apply it on your skin also. Removes the wrinkles and fine lines, and if you do have dry skin.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.